How many of us here believe that one role model can change the course of a young person's life forever?
Oh yeah.
All right, I'm glad I got a very positive response. Well, that's what we see every day at Midas Football Academy, and that's why this morning I'm going to share a little bit more with you about what we do. And my topic is going to be beyond the game. A lot of people, when they hear about soccer, they just feel soccer is just a game. But it's much more than that. So it's just a tool that we use and that a lot of people use to be able to reach a particular audience or demographic. America is going to experience the game next year after 30 years. And a lot of us have no idea what's coming. But you will see it, and you will remember this conversation that it's always big. Houston is having 7 games, and the last game is on July 4th. Our mission has not changed. Our mission is just about helping the next generation of leaders. How can we make our young boys and girls better? More importantly, the focus for me has been on boys, and that stems from working with the state of Texas. Today is not a day for statistics, but there are more young boys incarcerated today than it has ever been. I always give this instance: just put on your TV every day and watch the first or 2 reports on any news, and you will see exactly what I'm talking about. So these are 3 pillars of how we are using the game of soccer beyond that to help our boys. Mentorship is our number 1. A lot of them, the biggest thing that they lack is role models. The role model, someone that will help them between that formative year of 11, 12, 13, and 14 years old. All you have to do sometimes is say something. Just say something. If you just see them and you look and you don't say anything, they think it's normal. So mentorship is one of our pillars. The second one is life skill. And we believe that mentorship is important because we teach them, we give them guidance before the world does. Because if you don't give them, the world will give them. The court will give them. The second one is life skill. Most of our teenagers do not have basic survival skill. They call it that, but I call it life skill. Life skill, we use soccer to teach teamwork, leadership, accountability, and discipline. And we focus on that because we know that it takes a lot of skill. The same skill it takes skill to finish school is also the same skill you will need to start a business and to learn a skill. So if you can be able to develop a life skill, you'll be able to focus on something. And the third one is vocational education. We build features of the field. We introduce them to programs and equip them with practical trade skills. We focus on prevention more than rehabilitation before they go in. Because as I've said often, once anyone that you know is incarcerated, it is a hellhole. That's all I can call it. Most people, 95% are not able to come out. They are not able to, they go back repeating. The state of Texas puts it online that the rate of recidivism is at 33%, but I bet it's a wrong fact. It's a wrong demographic. It's at about 66%. Over 7 out of 10 always go back to prison. Wow. And that's what we do. We do prevention. We prevent them. We're launching programs, mentorship programs, and thankfully, one of the biggest soccer clubs in Houston, Texas, gave us a grant just this past week of $20,000 to invest in one of our programs that we're starting, and they're going to be giving us the cash every quarter. That was a very big support by Houston Dynamo and their charity. Vocational education pathways, early soccer engagement is one of the ways that we also do that, and of course, family and community support. We always believe that we need that using soccer. Your partnership is very key. We need community partnership. And how can you partner with us? Recommend us for grants. All of you guys here are business owners. There are information that you have access to that we don't know. So if you know, I want to give a special shout out to Mr. Beresford Clark. He has given me the chance to come speak at the Exchange Club of Fort Bend, and they have given us some support over the past few months as well to continue to grow. You can also support us by donating. You can become a monthly donor or an annual donor, or even daily if you want to, as less as $5. More importantly, share our mission. Some of you guys have met me today. Some of you have our cards, visit us. Just talk to other people about us. Send your young boys and girls to us. And this is the key here. I've asked this question over the time. 93% of consumers, they want to know what companies and organizations are doing to make the world a better place. 74% of consumers are likely to recommend your businesses and products and services if they are aware that you are supporting one social cause or the other. They're going to be more inclined to support you. 80% of consumers can name a company that stands out to them if they know that you are supporting a social cause. And those are our sponsorship package there. For as little as $100 a month, you can sponsor that, $250 and $500, however your capacity is. And I'm going to give you a data real quick. Yesterday, I was looking at our impression on social media. Across LinkedIn, that Mr. Beresford mentioned earlier, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram, we had 10,800 impressions in the month of September alone due to our posts. We posted about 12 reels and 2 posts, and we had more than 10,000 people view it. That's some of the things that we can be able to do for your business. That's how you can also help us out. I think that's it. And if you want to give today, you can scan the barcode, you can use Cash App. Through that, you can donate through our website or through Zelle. And that's the most recent picture down there this past Saturday of the boys celebrating the gift by Houston Dynamo. I don't know if you have any question, but that's about what I have for you guys today. Is there any question?
Follow Bayonle on all social media platforms at Bayonle Arashi, or visit www.bayonlearashi.com for coaching and speaking engagements. See you next time.